Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to terminate all active sessions on Telegram desktop app. You might have used Telegram on another phone or a computer. A good practice after doing so is to log out to make sure nobody can use your account without your permission. If you ever forget, Telegram allows you to terminate any session that is not on the current device you are using. We recommend checking this on a regular basis and removing everything you don't recognize. If you only use one device, such as your phone, this list should be empty. Open Telegram desktop app. Click on the burger menu at the top left corner of the window. Choose Settings from the list. Settings window will open. Go to Privacy and Security. Go to Active Sessions. Click on Show All Sessions. You will see a list of active sessions. If you want to terminate a specific session, click on the close icon under that session. Click on Terminate in the pop-up. If you want to terminate all session, click on Terminate all other sessions. This will log you out on all other devices that have your Telegram account, except the device that you're currently using. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!